Ooh.
Yeah, I think it actually.
Do you know, I thought that said Samsung then for a minute. I was about to.
Really?
Yeah, but it doesn't.
Well, that short word looks like Samsung. This is quite a weight to it, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Get away from myself before I chop something off. So it's by Walstead. Walstead?
Was today. What is?
Get it open in a minute.
What's that?
Oh, it's not what I thought it was, but it's
What's
brilliant
that?
anyway. This is the solar panelled charger,
Oh, okay.
a power station sort of thing.
Switch hands.
Look at the size of it. It is a bulk.
Is that for camping?
But yeah. But it's solar panelled. It's already started charging as soon as I opened it. Has it got
Didn't you have one like that before?
Did, but it didn't work.
Oh.
It didn't charge. You could plug it in, or the one I had, you could plug it in and charge it, but the solar panel didn't work.
Is that a torch on the end?
Yep. I don't want to point it right at you. No. Oh look, there's a little light on the side, tells you.
Yeah, the torch is not working.
Probably have to press and hold. There might be another button somewhere. Oh, there we go. That's how you plug in your bits. Oh, it's got micro USB and USB-C. Normal.
Have a look.
We've got a fast USB-C and the normal USB. Sorry, a USB and a USB, and then you've got micro USB and a USB-C.
Okay.
Whew.
Several.
Many USB-Cs. What's the button on? How do you turn? It's got a compass. But I don't know how to turn the light on.
Because you didn't read the instructions.
I haven't read the instructions. That's a light as well, if I remember rightly.
Ooh.
Found it. Wow, that's
Wow, that's
right.
really light. Bright.
Okay. So double tap, and that turns that on. How do you turn that on?
Maybe that's not a.
What is that?
I don't know.
Shall I look at the instructions?
Yeah, why not?
Instructions are a lie. Yeah, it's a flashlight. Turn on, how to charge. LED flashlight. First press the power button for about 3 seconds. Ah, right, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo.
And there it is. Does it go
Cool.
brighter? Oh, it flashes.
Flashes.
That is a flashlight. Oh, is it? It's automatically doing SOS.
Is it SOS, is it? I was going to say.
Dash, dash, dash. I'll turn that off.
Whoa.
Whoa, strobe light.
Nobody needs that.
All right. Wow,
That's
that is
pretty cool.
brilliant. I like that a lot. That would be really helpful for anyone who's going camping and can't fold it up. You can charge anything on that. What power have we got on it? 45,800 milliamps.
Wow.
That's a lot.
Hopefully that's not the same as what's in those 3 boxes.
This charger can charge multiple items in one go. This video I'm charging a little handheld console, a tablet and a mobile phone, all whilst it's charging itself. I mean, what else can this charger do? Maybe that's the end of the video. But there's more. Hello, welcome to Lee's Tech Room, and yesterday's video was all about this little power charger here. It's actually called a solar power bank. You can see why it's solar because on the little video I did at the start of it, it's actually solar powered. So you open it up and you've got 4 charging banks, which is great. So the actual stats of it is a 26,800 milliamp hours. I've had it on here so I can remember what I'm looking at. It says it can charge the iPhone 14 about 8 times and the Galaxy S20 around 6 times. So that's pretty good. I mean, we had quite a few things on charge on that weekend, on that evening, and it was doing a bloody good job. And then afterwards, we had we had it on the side as well, so we had the light on as well. That's another thing which it has. So I spoiled the game a little bit there. I was going to bring that in later on, but let's have a look at what it's got. So obviously, it's got solar panels, so you can see We've got 4 solar panels on the front there, which is absolutely amazing. Now I would say, when I first started using it, I had it on the windowsill, and the lights were flashing to show that it was charging. But it was on the windowsill. It was in the direct sun, but it was in the windowsill on the inside of the house, and it was taking ages. It was there for a good 5 days, and it didn't appear to have changed. It didn't appear to have charged any further. It's a shame that it hasn't got a digital number readout on it, because so you can see exactly what percentage you've got. It's just got 4 lights which flash up and down. But it didn't look like it was charging, so then I put it straight outside on a sunny day, and it charged really quickly outside. So it does show that you need to have it on outside on charge, so it will charge a lot quicker. I think it probably will work in the windowsill, but just not as quick, obviously. Alright, so it's also got a compass, which I don't really know why you would... Alright, I don't know why you would want to have a compass on a charger, but nonetheless it is there anyway, and it could be handy if you need to know which direction you want to walk into. But anyway, you got a little hook here for a carabiner, which does come with it, and was you know what, it's really heavy duty as well. You drop this and it's not really going to do a lot of damage. But having said that, I did drop it last weekend, and it has a rattle. I don't know what it is, but everything appears to work as it should anyway. Still, even though obviously something's come loose inside, and but everything works, so it's fine. So obviously we've got a compass, and we've got there's a power button up here. You see a little power button there. We press it once, and it shows you what charge state you're at. Okay, see that? Where's it gone? Power button, and it shows you what charge state you're at. And then press it twice. Whoa, the lightest light in the world. So we had this on in the evening, and it lit up the whole garden. And we also I'll turn that to the side. And also on last weekend went camping, and we had it on our tent, and it was so bright. It was actually so bright. I think after a while we had to turn it off because it was just too bright. It says it is 1000 lumens. Well, that's pretty bright, and as you can see, that's what it is. So you double tap. I think if you press and hold, I'm pretty sure you have to press and hold. There we go. We've got a light on the front there, which is, again, that's pretty bright. That one is... It doesn't say the brightness of this one, but it's pretty bright. That would light you... So it's for camping as well. So that will light your way to the toilet block if you need to. So press like that, and then we're off. Okay, so charging ports. That's the most important thing. So you've got 4 charging points. You've got 2 USBs. One of them is a fast charger, and there's USB-C and a micro USB as well. So you can charge 4 things, which is amazing. And if you're doing it in the daylight like we were, then you can charge those things whilst the charger is charging itself. I love that. It's brilliant. It's actually a really, really good piece of kit. And even though there's definitely something loose in there, but there we go. Even though I've broken it, it still works. It still charges, and it still charges itself. So who cares? It's obviously quite durable. It does a really good job of that one, and I really love it. I've done extensive testing on it. It's worked really well. Was there any time? There was no time where it ran out. There was a time where it ran out of battery a little towards the end of the second night on our camping trip, because I wasn't charging it properly. So I actually plugged it into the mains and got a bit of juice from that way. Then we had a light on in the evening. But other than that, I've just been using the sunlight to charge it. So I wear it out. I just tuck it outside for the day, and it charges. Admittedly, it takes maybe 2 or 3 days outside in full sunlight, and then it will charge up. Usually about 3 days, I think. If you plug it in, it's an hour or 2. But it's a good one. It's a really good charger, really, really good light, And it's versatile. You can use it for anything, and you can strap it to your backpack if you want. It does say that it comes with a carabiner. I've misplaced it, but it's a nice looking carabiner, and you can strap it to your backpack, and you don't have to put it in your pockets. It's brilliant. The large camping light consists of 32 advanced LED beads which can work for over 20 hours at maximum brightness, which is 1000 lumens. The solar charging panel is equipped with a super bright flashlight, steady strobe SOS to illuminate any area at night, and the SOS mode provides a reliable power in case of emergency. It provides 18 watts fast charging and multiple ports, 2 at 5 volts at 3.1 amps. That's 18 watt fast charging output, supports QC 3.0 protocol. This greatly reduces your charging time compared to normal 2.1 amps. The Powerbank solar cell has 4 high efficiency solar panels which can generate a maximum current of 1.2 amps under 25,000 lux sunlight. It's a good charger. It's a thumbs up. It's definitely a thumbs up from me. I recommend it. Check out the link down below if you want to go and check out the current price on Amazon, and let me know in the comments down below if you've bought one, if you're going to buy one, or if you are interested in it, and if you know anything else about it, then please do let me know. If you want to watch, if you like this video, then you may like this video here. Have a look at this one. This might bring you some joy. Anyway, so thanks. It's been Lee's Tech Room here. See you later. Bye.